2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, CD player, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.